Welcome to Autonomous Warfare, the podcast dissecting the latest developments in military technology and their impact on global conflicts. I'm Alex Thomas. Today, we're examining a critical evolution in the Ukraine conflict, Russia's increasingly desperate yet innovative use of drone warfare. Stella, after months of high-intensity conflict, Russia faced a stark reality regarding its advanced munitions, didn't they?
Absolutely, Alex. By mid-2022, Western sanctions severely hampered Russia's ability to replenish its stockpiles of precision-guided weapons, like Kalibr cruise missiles and Iskander ballistic missiles. These incredibly expensive, high-tech armaments were being expended at an unsustainable rate against Ukrainian infrastructure and civilian targets, forcing Moscow to seek alternatives to maintain its aerial bombardment campaigns. The war was draining their conventional high-tech reserves faster than anticipated.
And that's where Iran entered the picture, offering a lifeline in the form of the Shahed 136. These aren't the same caliber as Russia's cruise missiles, but they offered a cost-effective, mass-producible solution, didn't they?
Precisely. Russian officials traveled to Tehran in July 2022 to examine Iran's arsenal of inexpensive, expendable drones. The Shahed 136, a simple propeller-driven kamikaze drone costing around $50,000 each, was a fraction of the cost of a Kalibr missile. This deal led to hundreds of these drones being supplied to Russia. The first concentrated Shahed attacks on the Ukrainian cities like Odesa in September 2022 overwhelmed air defenses, spreading terror and causing significant damage to critical infrastructure and residential areas. Ukraine rapidly developed countermeasures, including mobile fire teams and FPV interceptor drones.
Despite Ukrainian ingenuity, Russia wasn't deterred. They doubled down on their drone strategy. By 2024, reports indicated Russia had established its own Shahed production line, churning out thousands of drones monthly, constantly modifying the design. But there's an even more alarming development recently, isn't there, Stella?
Indeed, Alex. In early August 2025, Ukrainian authorities recovered wreckage from a downed Shahed drone in the Sumy region that contained not a traditional warhead, but two externally mounted cassettes. These held PTM-3 anti-tank mines, compact Soviet-era weapons capable of destroying armored vehicles. This modification allows the drones to scatter mines remotely across Ukrainian territory, far behind front lines, turning previously safe roads into potential minefields. It's a clear shift to an area denial strategy, creating widespread logistical paralysis and uncertainty.
This battlefield air interdiction tactic is incredibly disruptive, threatening military convoys, civilian vehicles, and even emergency services. It showcases an alarming adaptation in modern warfare, highlighting an accelerating technological arms race where the side that adapts fastest will ultimately prevail. For more in-depth analysis on this and other developments in autonomous warfare, visit autonomouswarfare.ai. We'll continue to track these crucial stories. I'm Alex Thomas, and thank you for listening.